This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 10 Demonstration IV. In the previous lecture, we explored various intricate aspects of Java programming, a popular programming language. Input and output are crucial activities in Java applications. We begin by discussing how to output information to the standard output, which is typically the screen. However, output can also be directed to files, networks, or remote databases. We will provide an overview of various input and output methods in Java programs, as these input-output concepts are foundational for understanding Java applications. Java's system.out.println method prints a value and moves the cursor to the next line, while system.out.print prints a value without moving the cursor. The newline character is used to manually move the cursor to the next line. These print methods also allow printing multiple strings or values using concatenation. In addition to output, we explore various input methods in Java, including command line arguments, the scanner class, and the dataInputStream class. Command line input allows passing arguments to a Java program during execution. Java stores these command line arguments in the string args array accessible within the main method. Integer values can be passed from command line arguments using integer.parseInt arg. Command line arguments are useful for taking input without user interaction during runtime, but programs must handle cases where no arguments or invalid input is provided. The scanner class reads input from the keyboard and stores values in variables. Methods like nextInt and nextDouble read input as integer or double respectively. The system.in object indicates keyboard input when creating a scanner object. The scanner class can read any data type, such as int, float, double or string, making it a versatile tool for user input. The dataInputStream class is another option for reading input from the keyboard or a file in Java. The system.in object directs the input stream to read from the keyboard, while providing a file path can read input from a file. Methods like readLine, parseFloat, and parseInt are used to read and convert input. We demonstrate using float variables in an interest calculation with principal, rate, and years, while also handling exceptions with a try-catch block when using InputStream classes. In summary, we explored input and output applications beyond console programs, understood the fundamentals of input and output in Java, recognized variations in the print method, learn to leverage command line arguments efficiently, utilize the scanner class for user input, and consider the dataInputStream class for file input. These concepts lay the foundation for building robust Java applications that can effectively handle input and output operations. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.